Hey guys, it's Brittany Monroe with ERA Suncoast Realty. Today I'm at 356 Northwest 14th Avenue in Crystal River, Florida. It is a second story waterfront condo with direct access to the Crystal River and the Gulf, and it is an awesome place. It's got just under 1,500 living square footage, so plenty of space for you and your friends or family. I can just imagine this being an awesome full-time residence or an awesome family getaway place. So come and take a tour with me. Now this second story unit here at Casa del Rio comes fully furnished, and the condo association fees are very reasonable, $643 per month. That covers your flood insurance, the community pool, the clubhouse, your cable, and your garbage service, and the building maintenance. So it covers a lot of things. It's an awesome place if you love to be near the water. And I just want to mention that this condo has never flooded. It's in a wonderful location. You could take your golf cart or a bicycle down to Crackers, a nearby local restaurant with a tiki bar. The location is just amazing, and it would be an awesome place to come and escape the city and go scalloping. As we know, it's still scallop season here in Crystal River. So if you are interested in this home or would like information on any other home here in Citrus, Marion, or Levy County, Florida, give me a call at 352-507-5675. Have a good one.